Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming what key you need and why. This directs the method. Once you know the key type, grab one basic tool, tension wrench, paperclip, or flat shim, and position yourself with steady lighting. Make sure you have legal permission or proof of ownership, because forcing entry wastes time and creates problems. Now insert the tool at the correct angle and apply gentle tension. This initial tension is critical because it simulates cylinder torque and lets pins set properly. Next, focus on setting the internal components precisely. You will use small upward taps or rakes to feel each pin click into position, and you must keep tension consistent. Too much and you lose feel, too little and pins fall back. Once several pins are set, rotate slowly. Once the cylinder moves about 1/8 to 1/4 turn, you've gained leverage. Then repeat the process until all pins are set. If the key is present, use the extracted impression to craft a duplicate quickly. To finish, slowly withdraw the tool while keeping the cylinder aligned. You must avoid sudden shifts so the pins don't reset. If extraction fails, try a spare key or decode the impression you created to make a quick duplicate. Duplication is faster than forcing locks and preserves hardware. If the cylinder jams, reduce tension and reseat pins gently. This troubleshooting step usually fixes binding. Finally, test the produced key several times to confirm smooth operation.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.